Ooh, I feel you near me. Ooh, like a dream coming true. I never knew a heart could feel this way until I saw you smiling at me that day. Every little moment, every little sign feels like your heart was made to beat with mine.
I was walking through a world of gray, and then you came and changed my yesterday.
Now every star is shining in the sky, and when you're with me I can fly. You're always close to me. Two hearts beating as one, like the moon is chasing the sun. You and me, wherever we are, I'll find you underneath every star. Oh, hold me close tonight. With you is where I belong. When the world gets cold, I'll be your light. I'll stay beside you through the darkest night. You don't have to say a single word. Your heart is the sweetest thing I've ever heard.
And if tomorrow takes us far away, I'll remember every word you say. Wherever life may lead us to, my heart will always come back to you.
I hear your heartbeat, I feel your love. You're my forever, you're the one I'm thinking of.
Two hearts, one dream,
Closer than